At Virtek, we are constantly reimagining how technology is used to ensure that complex manufacturing processes are simpler, safer, and more efficient. For over 35 years, we have been transforming the way people work by improving processes and workflows through laser-based vision technology. Our team of the world's leading technology experts work closely with each of our customers to ensure that their specific business needs are addressed. With industry-leading software and products that are always reimagining a simpler way to see complex processes, it's no wonder why we are the first choice among the world's leading innovators, helping to realize new ways of doing business in the aerospace, automotive, military and defense, industrial fabrication, construction, inspection, and wind industries. At Virtek, our passion, quality, and expertise is setting the standard for what it means to be a trusted leader in the industry. Partner with Virtek Vision and reimagine your business future. It's time to move together. To learn more, visit virtekvision.com.